Greetings, everybody. Timber here. Somebody suggested, sorry, a while back that I should do an unboxing video to help me grow with channel growth. So I ordered something from Amazon and it came today. Yay! Perfect day. Happy day. So I bet you're wondering what's in the box. Well, let's find out together, shall we? Here it is. Let me know in the comments what you think is in this box. So let's find out, shall we? Ooh, I like the printing on here. I think that looks pretty. Well, let's crack it open, shall we? Woohoo! And here we go. And it came with some refills, which I really like. Ooh, a little coloring book and a colors chart. Let's look at the book, shall we? Now, this will be fun. Kind of interesting. Kind of like that one. And that one. Castle looks good. Oh, they're postcards. So that might come in handy come holiday season. Cool. Some more. And the last sleeve. And there we go. I might hold on to the book. So let's see. I don't know if this will show up on camera or not, but this color is like a gold, sort of. It's called Mirandy. It's the type of, I guess, the media. And the number 18, corresponds with the refills. So, if you run out of color, you have an exact match. So you're not playing a guessing game. What color is this? So, well, there we go, everybody. I hope you found this pretty enjoyable. I know I did. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and I can't wait to start using these. Catch you in the next one. Have a great weekend, everybody.